The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. Elsewhere, it remains unclear just how much will be changing in terms of the new look and feel of the Pixel phones. Previously, there had been some suggestions that more macro changes are coming, like the possibility of an under-display selfie camera, but that seems unlikely this time around. Images purported to be of a Pixel 7 prototype surfaced online recently and seem to suggest a familiar overall design. Of course, they are only images of prototypes, so it is still possible that the end result could look very different. Not to mention, the images were of a Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro could come with some additional design changes to further help differentiate it from the standard model. There is always the caveat that a new and wild-looking Pixel phone could be secretly in development. One of the worst kept Pixel secret is the Pixel Fold, and it is possible that this device could make an appearance at the event, boasting a radically different design philosophy. However, this seems somewhat unlikely. Google has confirmed that it will release two new Pixel phones in fall, and that a new Pixel tablet will arrive in 2023. In reality, it is probably far more likely that the Pixel Fold could make its appearance debut during next year's Google I/O event, with a view to be released in late 2023.